In this lecture, we're going to look at the adjoint of a matrix. What is adjoint of a matrix? The adjoint of a matrix is after finding the cofactor of the matrix, you transpose the matrix. All this we have been doing. If you have been following me, we did minor. From minor, we did cofactor. Now we are doing adjoint. Adjoint is the transpose of what? Of a cofactor. It is after we finish with adjoint, we will now look at inverse. Because inverse depends on this, and this also determinant. 4 things. That is, we also need adjoint. After adjoint, determinant, which you have treated. Those 4 things are what you need for inverse of a matrix. So, because you already understand this, you were able to do cofactor, which you have seen. If you have not seen these videos, they are in this channel. Look at them. Search for them. Then after cofactor, we are looking at adjoint now. Once we transpose the cofactor, we are getting the adjoint. Okay, let's do that. Let's look at this. It said find the adjoint of the matrix A. The first thing is to work out the cofactor. Before you can work out the cofactor, first of all, ask yourself, is this a square matrix? Yes, it's 2 by 2. The number of rows are equal to the numbers of column, 2, 2. Okay? Now we can actually get the cofactor. Okay? For cofactor, we get the minor of each. Remember, minor is when you are solving for this now, you strike out all the elements in this column and also all the elements in this row. What is remaining is 4. Okay? That is minor of. The minor of 2 is 3 here. Okay? Y for 3 is 2, supposed to be here. Take the position of 3. For 4, take the position of 4. That is once you take the position. Now, we are not true. The next thing is to put the sign. Remember, the sign says minus 1 raised to power I plus j. Okay, that is for this one. I is a row, j is a column. The row position is 1, the column position is 1. It means 1 plus 1, which is 2. Minus 1 raised to power 2 will give us plus 1. It means we are not going to change the sign of this. For this one, is first row, second column. First row, second column. That is 3. This will produce minus 1. It means we're going to put minus here. For this is second row, first column. Second row, first column. Second row, first column. Still 3. Produce minus 1. Minus will be here. Why the last one is second row, second column. That is 2, 2, which is 4. And it give us what? Plus. So we are not going to change this. So this is the cofactor of this matrix. After that, now to get the adjoint of A, so this is the cofactor of A. So to get the adjoint of A, which you can also represent as adjoint of A, all you need to do is to transpose this. Remember, transpose is row becomes column. This row now, instead of being like this, it will become like this. That is 4 minus 3. This one is row becomes column. That is minus 2, 1. So this is the adjoint of matrix A. This now is the adjoint. First of all, is it 2 by 2 matrix? Is it 3 by 3? That is square matrix? Yes, it is. Find the minor for each of the elements. Okay? Then you change the signs. Okay? Once you put the signs, you transpose. That is what? The adjoint of what? Of that matrix. Let's look at this. It says find the adjoint of the matrix B. How do we do that? The first thing we need to do, we ask ourselves, is this a square matrix? Yes, this is a square matrix because the numbers of rows are equal to the numbers of columns. The next is to find what? The cofactor. How do we find the cofactor? The cofactor is through the minor of each of the elements. Okay, it means we first of all get the minor of each of the elements. That is, For this 0, to get the minor, we say this multiplied by this, that is 4, minus this multiplied by this, that is minus what? 3. And you agree with me, minus minus will produce plus, and this will give us 7. So the minor of 0 is 7. Then we go for the minor of this one. This multiplied by this is 8, minus this multiplied by this is minus 1. And you agree with me, this is 9. So therefore, the minor of this is 9. Then we go for this. This and this will produce minus 6. This and this will produce minus 1. This will produce plus. And this is what? Minus 5. So here is minus 5. Okay? Then we go for this. 4 minus 3. 4 plus 3, that is 7. Let's go for this. For the center one, 0 minus 1, that is 1. This and this will produce 0 minus 1, that is 1. Okay? Okay? Let's continue. For this, 1 minus 1, that is 0. For this, 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. Okay? Then lastly, this, 0 minus 2, that is minus 2. The next thing now is to put the sign. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So this is plus, this is minus. Plus, plus, and minus will give us minus. Minus, plus, minus, plus. Minus, minus is plus. So we remove this. This is the cofactor. Cofactor of B. To get the adjoint of B, we simply transpose the cofactor of B. That is, the row becomes column. This now becomes. So this is the adjoint of this matrix. Hope this understood. Thank you for viewing.